Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover Uber password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your mobile device, you have to first launch the Uber application. Once you open up, you will get to see this interface. From here, tap on get started. And here at the very top, you have to enter your mobile number that you have used while signing up on Uber. Once you're done with that, tap on continue. Here you can simply log into your account with the code provided to your mobile number. Once you get the code, you will be directly logged into your Uber account without any password. Now to recover your password, we can simply go through your account. For that, tap on the account option from the bottom right corner. You will land on your profile page. From here, tap on settings again. You will see this interface. From there, tap on your profile that you will see at the top of this screen. You will land on account info page. From here, tap on security at the top menu bar. Here under logging into Uber, you will see password. Tap on there. Here you can simply create your new password. So type in the password that you want to change, and your password must be at least 8 characters long with 1 digit and 1 non-digit character. After that, confirm your new password again. Once you're done with that, simply tap on update. And with that, your password will be changed, and this is how you can simply recover your Uber password. I hope this tutorial will help you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, drop the like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.